Why choose Dupuy Langen for your employee benefit plan? Tailor-made and service above and beyond. At Dupuy Langen, we have been specialists in the area of employee benefit plans since 1985. Helping companies like yours across Canada for almost 30 years, we understand the challenges your company faces when creating and maintaining an employee benefit plan. Meet Michael, one of our clients. He owns ABC Company. When we first met Michael, he had 56 employees and a one-size-fits-all employee benefit plan. Michael came to us very concerned with 4 main questions. How can we control the rising costs of our benefit plan? How do we create a plan that maximizes our benefit dollars? How do we ensure that our benefit plan helps us attract and retain employees? And how do we secure a plan that provides us and our employees with great service? Dupuy Langen's tailor-made and service above and beyond approach was able to address all of Michael's concerns and create a plan that reflects his needs and those of his employees. ABC Company has now grown to over 500 employees across Canada, and its benefit plan is an integral part of its employment strategy. Through his partnership with Dupuy Langen, Michael enjoys best-in-class benefits that have produced stable rates through regular benefit analysis and our unique mid-term disability solution. Maximization of his benefit dollars using Dupuy Langen's IBNR release option. Greater employee appreciation derived from annual compensation statements. And the highest level of employee satisfaction ever. Dupuy Langen's communication tools have helped employees to understand their plan, realize its value, know who to contact for help, and know where to access benefit information from the comfort of home. So what does tailor-made mean? It means taking the time to identify what our clients want and need so we can address their unique concerns. It means working with the best providers in the benefit world to design plans that are flexible, sustainable, and innovative. And it means truly partnering with our clients to ensure we keep pace with their changing environment. What is our service above and beyond commitment all about? It is being there for our clients every step of the way. As your benefit partner, Dupuy Langen will quarterback the initial stage of application, enrollment, and communication. We'll train and support your plan administrator. We'll assist your employees with claims and questions. We'll support your endeavors. And we'll always be there for you in difficult situations. Dupuy Langen is now one of British Columbia's largest privately owned employee benefit firms. With 2 offices in BC and 1 in Ontario, we are able to serve our clients across Canada. If you have between 2 and 5,000 employees, let us create a plan tailor-made for you and experience service above and beyond. Please give us a call at 604-270-1142 or toll free at 1-888-766-6390 to arrange for a free consultation and review of your current plan.